Good morning, guys. Today I welcome you all to PCS 693 Web Development Lab session. Today we are going to study JavaScript, and within the JavaScript we are going to study login page. You can also take it as this is related to the form validation also, but this is simple form validation. This only consists username and password and a submit button, but it has a complex architecture that consists CSS and JavaScript as well. So open a new text document, notepad file, and start with the doc type HTML as you know from earlier. Then HTML, and within this we have two sections, that is head started, head closed, and then body section, body started and body closed. And then HTML closed. So within this head section there is title should be login page. So title closed. Now we come to the body section. Within this body section I'm going to write center tag because I need all the elements in the center inside it. Then we are going to start h1 tag which says welcome to login page, and then h1 tag close, and then the center tag closed. After that I am going to give break statement with the br tag, save as, and then index.html with double inverted commas, save. There you have your index.html file. You can see it in the browser also. After that I am going to start division tag, started and division close. I want to format this style this CS with the help of CSS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write style after the head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, and within that I'm going to give also close the style tag. Within that I'm going to give division and then curly braces, and within that we are going to say width will be 500 pixels, that is, and then height will be also 500 px. File, save, go to browser. Okay, we can't see the borders right now because we haven't given any borders, so I will write border equals to 1 px solid red, and then save, go to browser. You can see there is your division. Now we want this division in the center, so we will say that margin colon 0 auto. So this will shift your division into the center, 0 auto. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see this division box has been shifted into the center. And then after that, within the division tag we have to do the simple form like things. So I will write username colon then br, and for this username we will say that input type equals to text within the double inverted commas because we want the text box. Name equals to text and id equals to username, and then br two times, and then for the password colon br, and then copy and paste above line after the password, and just change the elements. So within the id we will write password, within the type we will write password, save, go to browser, refresh. There is your username and password field. Then we want a button also, so we will say we will take a button tag, and within the button tag we will write submit and close this button tag. Now we need some padding for all of these, so I am going to write padding colon 50 px, and box sizing will be I will say border box. You will see what it does, border box. So file save, go to browser, refresh, and then you can see what it does. So we are going to create another page for the target purpose. On clicking the submit button, you will be redirected to this page. So doc type HTML, and then HTML head section started, head section closed, then the body section, and then the HTML closed. So within the body section we are going to write h1 tag, and this says welcome to successful login page, h1 closed. Similar thing I'm going to write in the paragraph tag too, because we don't need it has not a serious purpose, so this is what we are going to write. Paragraph tag close, save as, and I'm going to save it with the name of page.html within the double inverted commas. So now save. There you go, you can see your page.html file. That is how it is going to look like. So now I'm going to put it in the center tag, so it may get into the center. Now center tag closed, file save, go to browser, done. So we have created our target page. Now we have to start the JavaScript, the main part of this whole lecture. So for starting the JavaScript, what we are going to do is we are going to write a script tag with the type equals to text slash JavaScript, the all inverted commas closed. Within this we are going to create a function, that's it, that says function login, and then curly braces. Within that we are going to use var keyword, uname equals to document dot get element by id, and then with the single inverted commas username dot value, terminator var pass equals to document dot get. Okay, just copy and paste above line, paste it here, and then just rename this password. So these are going to save inside this username and password. And then I will put a condition if uname equals to apple. So I'm going to make this login page predefined. So if you are going to put only this password or this username only, then it is going to be redirected into the target page. So if uname equals to apple and password equals to 1234, then the location will be assigned. That is location dot assign. We will go to this page, copy the path, and then put it here within the double inverted commas. Just paste it here at the end, double inverted commas, terminator. And then the curly braces closed. And then we are going to use else, because if user doesn't fill the appropriate keyword where he is going to be, so windows dot alert, because this is going to throw alert message, windows dot alert will say login failed within the double inverted commas, terminator, and then the braces close. Then after that, just close the functions bracket. Okay, first I must put the action here. Button, on the button tag we will say on click equals to, it will be redirected to the login method, login function, sorry. And then the bracket close here, and then the script tag will be also closed. I'll save, go to browser, refresh, apple 1234, submit, and there you go, you are redirected into the target page. Once again I'm going to fill the wrong entry, abcd 123, submit. It says login failed. Windows.alert is working here. Again fill it, and then you are again redirected here. So this is how we are going to create a login page. You can see, and you can try it by yourself. I am also going to add another link for the form validation, because I have prepared it earlier. So I think you all must see it, and just prepare through with the help of that. And thank you guys for watching this video, and be safe, be healthy, and meet you in the another lecture. Thank you, bye bye.